Hi, my name is April with DPX DUI Process Experts. As we all know, this weekend is St. Patrick's Day, my favorite holiday, and you don't have to be Irish to celebrate. So before you head into your weekend full of drinking and festivities, did you know? Did you know that St. Patrick's Day is the largest drinking day of the entire calendar year, especially anything green? And then did you also know in Arizona last year, Friday and Saturday for St. Patrick's Day holiday, there were 233 DUI arrests. 81 of those arrests were considered extreme DUI. What does that mean? Well, in Arizona, we're a zero tolerance state. However, a 0.08 blood alcohol count is considered driving under the influence. An extreme is a 0.15, and then a super extreme is a 0.20. Your average cost for your first DUI in Arizona is $10,000. So the higher your blood alcohol count, the more expensive it gets, more jail time, fine, fees, etc. So don't drink and drive. Did you also know it takes your body an hour to process an alcohol-related drink? So if you go to a St. Patrick's Day party and you have 4 drinks in 2 hours, normal, you would want to stay at least 4 hours after to make sure your body can process through that alcohol. So better yet, instead of drinking and driving, utilize our rideshare or Lyft. Make sure to take precautions. Don't drink and drive. If you do, make sure to utilize our rideshare Lyft. If you know anyone who's had a DUI or convicted of a DUI, DUI process experts can walk them through step by step to regaining their license for free. Give us a call at 602-441-9444. Stay safe.